Linking your bank account to Brex is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your Brex account. Visit the Brex website or open the Brex app and log in using your credentials. Ensure that you have your account details ready for a smooth process. Step 2. Navigate to the bank linking section. Once logged in, go to the Settings or Account Management section. Look for an option labeled Link Bank Account or similar to start the linking process. Step 3. Enter your bank details. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their account. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Verify your bank account. After entering your details, Brex may require you to verify your bank account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Brex into your bank account. Check your bank statements for these deposits and enter the amounts as prompted. Step 5. Confirm and complete the linking process. Once your bank account is verified, confirm the linking process. You should receive a notification indicating that your bank account is successfully linked to your Brex account. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Brex and take advantage of its financial management features. If you encounter any issues, consult Brex's support resources for assistance.